Hey everyone, welcome back to FreshenOpt.ca air filter channel. Today we're changing the cabin air filter on a 2022 Lexus UX250h. Before we get started, don't forget to grab a new cabin air filter and a pair of gloves to keep your hands clean from dust and dirt. Step 1. Open the glove box. You'll see a cover in front of the cabin air filter housing. It's held in place by clips. Simply pull it outward gently to remove it. Now you'll see the AC filter housing cover. The old cabin air filter is inside. Release the tabs and lift the cover upward to open it. Next, you'll see the old cabin air filter sitting inside a filter frame. Pull the frame straight out. OMG, this filter definitely needs to be replaced. It's packed with dirt, dust, and unwanted odors. Remove the old filter from the frame. You can gently squeeze filter to make it easier. Install the new FreshenOpt cabin air filter into the frame, making sure the airflow direction matches the original filter. Slide the filter back into the AC housing, then reinstall both covers in the reverse order. That's it. Super easy. Enjoy cleaner, fresher air with FreshenOpt. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Want the same OEM quality filter? Get it now at FreshenOpt. See ya. Members save 10% for life plus free surprise kits. Link in description.